stock Raptor.
Yep.
I was going to mess with you and say we're done, you know. But stock Raptor,
Yep.
very beautiful.
Oh, nice. Nice. That's yeah, especially from the front.
From the front, man.
That
Just
is,
look at that.
yeah. That is it. Oh,
Unmistakable.
absolutely.
Yeah. So I wanted to pull them right here and
Absolutely. That's solid.
yes, sir.
It's amazing. The tires, how much bigger they look.
I know.
I didn't have an appreciation for
Voila!
Nice.
I didn't like this is yours and all that, but just yeah.
Well, when I first pulled in, I actually I saw it and I was like, yeah, all right. I would have thought there was been some more things painted on there.
You did? Okay, all right, good. Good.
Yeah, so you didn't have to.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, good for them. They got another Raptor because nobody else can.
Right. She had this one sitting here initially this morning. I was like, I want to mess with them a little bit.
Yeah.
Even if it's very subtle.
Absolutely. I like it. I love it.
So great customer here at Aikens. We try to surprise them, as you saw in the video, of saying, here's your Raptor, all complete and customized. And Catherine pulled up the IndoRaptor package. But it didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but it's okay. A great guy, great customer now here at Aikens in Winder, Georgia, guys. And here's a good look at distinct paint differences and options on the IndoRaptor. The rear cladding, the cladding I'm calling is this section here, this piece here. You see on the stock, it is the gray color, bumper, fenders, custom lettering on the rear. This one does not have the graphics package, but there's a good look at the factory base wheel and tire combo. And we went a little bit bigger on the tire size, 325 60/20, so it's a 35.4 by 13 versus the 34.4 12 wide. So we do like going a little bit bigger, a little bit more on the offset of the wheel. But then up front is the most distinct difference to me. That's a game changer, that front end difference between the stock Raptor and the IndoRaptor. Black in that grille and skid plate, body color in the bumper, level kit, so you can tell height wise the IndoRaptor is 1.5 inches taller on the left versus the stock on the right. And that lettering on the grill, if you do a black grill, you must do some different kind of lettering. You can do a different color if you don't want to do white, but something. And then the void of the bumper, the void in that bumper, that Ford didn't put anything there. I graciously like to put the rigid LED fog kit and love how that looks. So IndoRaptor, distinct differences right here at Aikens and Wild Willis.